Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as always, let's look at another Stream API interview question. Write a stream program to move all the zeros to the beginning of an int array. So, an int array is given to us 501080, and what we need in the output is 000518. So, let's code this. First of all, we'll convert it into list of integer. So boxed is the function which helps us to convert the primitive type into stream of integers, and then we are going to collect it. Okay, so now we have it in list of integer form, and we are going to look at this question using two approaches. Okay, so let's discuss approach number one. So what we will do here is we'll make a list of zeros and a list of non-zeros. Then we'll create another list which will be our final list, and to that we are gonna add zeros and non-zeros. Okay, so let us go. We have our list dot stream dot filter. It will take a predicate x is equals to 0 dot collect. Similarly, we'll have another list of non-zeros with a minor change. This will be x not equals to 0. So we have a final list, and to that final list, we'll be adding our other two collections. We have to use arrow method because we are adding collections here. And let's print it. So if you see, we get our answer. And now let's also look at the other approach. So for the other approach, we are going to take a list stream dot collect collectors dot partitioning by, and this will take a predicate x not equals to 0. Let's go with this. And this will give us back a map of Boolean and list of integer. Okay, so let's call it partition map. Let's see what we have here in partition map. Partition map will basically give us a key value pair based on the Boolean value, whether it is aligning with the predicate or not. So it gives us false because here The predicate which we are using is x is not equals to 0. So for all the values which are not equals to 0, they'll be coming under true as the key. Okay. So we are not interested in the key value pair, but we are just interested in the answer. Okay. And in a certain format. So what we will do here is we'll take the partition map and use values. Values will give us back a collection of list of integer, and that is what we need to get rid of the keys. Okay, collection of list of integer. Now let's call it collection view. Now let's view our collection view. So here you see that the keys are gone and we have got our answer, but then it is inside a list. Okay, inside a dual list. In fact, it's a list inside a list, list of list, and we just need one single list. So when we have a list of list and we just want to flatten it or use or have the answer in one particular list, we'll use flat map. Okay, it converts, for example, a list of integers into list of integer, and that is what we need. So here we have the values. Let's pick this dot stream dot flat map. It takes a function, and I keep using x as a variable just because I'm a creature of habit, but you can use any variable. X dot stream, okay, and then you'll use collectors dot to list, and then we will use a for each. Okay, system dot out dot print println. Okay, I forgot the method reference. Fine. Let's put it as print. I don't need system.out.println because I've used for each there. So I'm commenting it, and let's run and see. Okay, we are getting the answer, but we are not getting the answer in a list format. So let's get it in a list format. So what we need to do is this collection.view. Okay, instead of collection.view, I can write partition.values, right? Let me just copy it and paste it here. Now, instead of partition, I can just write this entire thing, not the semicolon. Okay, so that is what I'll do here. I'll copy this, and instead of partition.map, I'll just paste this. Now, I need it in a list of integer format, right? So I don't need for each because this means that I'm returning a void type. I don't need a void type. I need a list type. And here we already have that. Let me just bring it down. Yes. So I'll just remove this, put a semicolon here, and this will give me a list of integer. Let's put it as answer and uncomment it and answer. Let's remove the unnecessary code. Okay. So this should give us our answer in the list format. Yes. So hoping you understood this. So, like, just to make you understand, I had broken this down into three steps, but this is how it is supposed to be written. And it's okay, take your time. You can follow any of the approaches, one or two. The interviewer is just concerned with getting the answer of what he has asked you. So it's okay, like whichever one you fall easy, but do understand like what partitioning by is doing, and because you may require this function in some other important questions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this, and let's catch up in the next video.